bags of microwave popcorn that you buy at the grocery store are supposed to be a convenience food. I'm here to prove to you that it is no quicker and no easier to make those than it is to use the Chef Rimmer popcorn maker. You can see all I had to do was add my popcorn, put on the lid, and now it goes into the microwave. That didn't take any more time or effort than opening those annoying plastic bags. And now you have fresh, delicious popcorn without any oil or preservatives added.